The Ministry of Port, Shipping and Waterways has created a list of 400 investable projects. These projects have an investment potential of $31 billion or rupees 2.25 lakh crores. This will further strengthen our commitment of overall development of our maritime sector. Friends, the Maritime India Vision 2030 has been launched. It outlines the priorities of the government. The Sagar Manthan Mercantile Marine Domain Awareness Center has also been launched today. It is an information system for enhancing maritime safety, search and rescue capabilities, security and marine environment protection. The Sagarmala project for promoting port-led development was announced by the government in 2016. As part of the program, more than 574 projects at a cost of $82 billion or 6 lakh crores have been identified for implementation during 2015 to 2035. Friends, the government of India is also focusing on the domestic shipbuilding and ship repair market. To encourage domestic shipbuilding, we approved the Shipbuilding Financial Assistance Policy for Indian shipyards. Ship repair clusters will be developed along both coasts by 2022. Domestic ship recycling industry will also be promoted to create wealth from waste. India has enacted Recycling of Ships Act 2019 and agreed to the Hong Kong International Convention. Friends, we want to share our best practices with the world, and we are open to learning from global best practices. Continuing with our focus on trade and economic linkage with the BIMSTEC and IOR nations, India plans to enhance investment in infrastructure and facilitate mutual agreements by 2026. Government of India has also initiated holistic development of island infrastructure and ecosystem. We are keen to promote the use of renewable sources of energy in the maritime sector. We are in the process of installing solar and wind-based power system at all the major ports across the country. We aim to increase usage of renewable energy to more than 60% of total energy by 2030 in 3 phases across Indian ports. Friends, India's long coastline awaits you. India's hard-working people await you. Invest in our ports. Invest in our people. Let India be your preferred trade destination. Let India ports be your port of call for trade and commerce.